Welcome to our video today, where we'll be exploring an interesting topic that can help you automate tasks on your mobile device. Have you ever wondered how you can listen to incoming SMS messages from a specific number? Maybe you want to receive voice notifications for text from a particular contact or group, or perhaps you need to automate a task based on the content of incoming messages. Whatever your use case may be, this video will guide you through understanding how to approach listening to incoming SMS messages from a given number. In this video, we'll break down the concept into simpler parts, discuss the key steps involved, and provide examples to help solidify your understanding. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of what it takes to listen to incoming SMS messages from a specific number and how you can apply this knowledge in various scenarios. To start listening to incoming SMS messages from a given number, you first need to understand that this process typically involves creating an application or service that can intercept and parse SMS messages. This is not a straightforward task due to the nature of SMS messaging, which doesn't inherently support broadcasting messages for third-party apps to listen to. However, there are workarounds and APIs available on different platforms that allow developers to create applications capable of reading incoming messages under certain conditions. For example, on Android devices, an app can request permission to read SMS messages, enabling it to access the content of incoming text. Similarly, on iOS, while direct access is more restricted due to security policies, there are still methods and frameworks available for developing apps that interact with messages. The key concept here involves understanding how messaging apps work and how they integrate with the operating system's messaging service. Once you grasp this interaction, you can begin thinking about how to write code or configure services to listen in on these interactions, specifically from a given number. One of the critical steps is filtering messages based on their sender. This involves parsing the message content to identify the sender, and then applying your logic based on that identification. For instance, if you want to trigger an action for every message received from a specific contact, you'd write logic to check each incoming message's sender against that contact's number. Another crucial aspect is ensuring your solution complies with privacy laws and regulations, especially when dealing with sensitive information like personal messages. Always keep in mind the ethical implications of accessing someone else's messages without their consent. Listening to incoming SMS messages from a specific number involves creating an app or service that can intercept and parse these messages. Different mobile platforms offer various levels of access to messaging data, with Android being more open than iOS in this regard. The process includes requesting permissions, accessing message content, filtering based on the sender, and ensuring compliance with privacy laws. Understanding how messaging apps work and integrate with operating systems is key. That's a wrap-up for today's video. We've covered the basics of listening to incoming SMS messages from a given number. Remember, this topic requires careful consideration of technical capabilities, ethical implications, and legal compliance. We hope you found this explanation helpful in understanding how to approach this complex task. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to explore further, please drop them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if it helped clarify things for you. And consider subscribing for more content on technology and programming. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful videos.